Chapter 4. The Cosmic Love Transcends. Devious Deception. These visions of the taboo spread out as a canvas of your naked flesh, bound to the exhibition cross in submissive restraints. Your body is my sacrificial altar to this Godhead. These deviant dreams of bloodletting angels and the voices of cherubim sing in raptures, like a magic spell cast from heaven upon corporeal men. I will paint your body with sacred symbols of ancient ghosts, and latex auras dripping this dewy wetness saturating you. As this paintbrush flows over your body, upon the navel that once binded you to heaven, and over the warmth of sinful skin, the colors flowing over voluptuous nipples erect, leading you to the path of ecstasy's astral body bliss. All shiny in your latex flesh, and sins are forgiven, but your punishment is now at hand, whipped and tarnished with your devious thoughts, exhausted as the face you're hiding behind. No more lies. Ripping and whipping this rubber skin fallen away, for your atonement is my heavenly sacrament, and I must devour your Eucharist, for it is sanctified once again. In the end, we are just animals within this carnal flesh, and your parchment bears this tallow seal, as a slave of your desires wanting their escape, to be open like a virgin candle burning up in the flames of pleasures forbidden to taste.